What if I told you the rarest, most valuable blood on Earth isn't from Earth at all? You've been told about blood types, but you've never been told the full story. For centuries, scientists have tried to explain the massive genetic gap that separates us. They say we all evolved from the same ancestors, but there's a problem with your blood. You have a blood type that exists in less than 15% of the population, a type that doctors say can't mix with the rest of humanity. This isn't just about donating blood. This is about a bloodline with a secret past, a history that some believe isn't from this world. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear will change how you think about yourself forever. Most people are Rh positive, meaning they have a protein, the Rh factor, on their red blood cells. Think of it like a key. But if you have Rh negative blood, your cells are missing that key. This is why O negative is the universal donor, the one blood type a doctor can give to anyone in an emergency. But if all humans evolved from a common ancestor, why do a significant percentage of people not have this key? The answer scientists give you is simple, but the one they don't want you to ask is far more complex. It all starts with a little-known group of people in Europe. The highest concentration of Rh negative people isn't found in some remote tribe, but right in the heart of Europe. The Basque people have the highest rates of any population on Earth. Some researchers have suggested it's a genetic mutation, a fluke of evolution. But others point out a powerful contrast. Their language is completely unrelated to any other European language, and their blood is a complete anomaly. It's almost as if they were isolated from the very beginning. This is where the story takes a turn from science to something else entirely. The outlier videos on this topic consistently explore the same theme: the possibility that Rh negative people are not entirely human. The theory suggests a few possibilities, each one more fascinating than the last. Could it be a genetic legacy from the legendary Nephilim, the sons of God, mentioned in ancient texts? Or a different theory: what if Rh negative blood is the original, uncorrupted human blood, and R positive blood is the one that was modified by outside forces? If you are Rh negative, you might recognize some of these traits. You may have a higher IQ, different eye colors, or even an inexplicable feeling of being an outsider. These aren't just random anecdotes. For many, these are pain points that have led them to question their own origins. This isn't to say one blood type is better than another, but it does highlight a fascinating set of questions we're only beginning to ask. The videos that grab your attention on this topic provide a narrative that science simply hasn't been able to, or isn't willing to, explain. Whether you believe in ancient aliens or not, one thing is clear: the mystery of the O negative bloodline persists. The genetic anomaly, the unique traits, the historical and geographical patterns, all point to a question we've been asking since the dawn of time. Where do we really come from? Maybe the answer isn't in the stars, but flowing right through your veins.